Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I have a review on another set of dipping powders. So these dipping powders are from Easy Cosmetics. This is the same company that sent me the polygel, and they come, so here's the set of, these are the liquid bottles. I have the base gel, the activator, and the top coat, and I don't have these laying on their side on my countertop because you really don't want these liquids running into the cap of your brushes, okay? But so here's what they look like, and these bottles are 5 mLs, okay? So, and you see how they are labeled. This one, it says base coat. This one I believe is the activator. Yes, this one is the activator. And then we have the top coat, okay, right there. They're all the same size. And then we have, now this company has quite an assortment of different colors and textures on their dipping powders available on eBay. I will have that link down in the description bar below. So this is what their little jars look like. They're a little bit deeper, but less, you know, there's more narrow powder containers. These containers are 0.34 ounces, and so they're 10 grams. Okay, that's what they look like. You can see their labels, and I have the 4 colors that I have. The number 07 is just a white powder. I think I have these kind of tight. That's just a white powder. So then I have the number 69. And look at that. It's like a neon orange. Very pretty. I will test this one out, so we'll swatch it out. And yes, this looks super bright. Now, the application on these, like every other dipping system, you will see is the same. Nothing different. The only thing that I have different here is the assortment, the variety of colors in powders. And here we go. Number 181. Look at that purple glitter, and I have already used this one on my daughter. She loved it. Check it out. Okay, and then the last one I have, number 90. This one is another glitter, and it's silver. So it's silver glitter mixed in with powder. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I am going to use, well, I'm going to go, let me go ahead and swatch all 4 for you, okay? So that way, because I don't think I've done a white powder. So this will be more of a swatch application on these powders, so you get to see, and then we can compare them with how, you know, how they go on the nail versus what they look like in the containers themselves. But yes, application will be the same as any other system. I have already buffed my nails, and I will go ahead and continue with prepping them with alcohol and then start the powder application. I hope you guys enjoy. guys have it. Here are my swatches on these dipping powders. Check them out, and I will have some micro shots for you guys so you guys can see how clean of an application, how smooth these look, and how they are. Absolutely no texture whatsoever on these glitters. And I did do 3 coats of the silver. I came to realize the silver, it's mixed with a clear powder. So the white powder that you see in the jar, it's not white, it is clear. So this is a clear mixed with a silver glitter. So that's why I went ahead and did 3. So that could, if you could use it as a topper if you did only a single application after over a color. Yeah, now this purple glitter, it is solid. I only did 2 coats on that, and that glitter is very well dispersed in there because there's tons and tons of micro glitters in there. And so that was solid with 2 coats. That orange, look how bright that is. And I will tell you, this is the first time also working, not this purple, but this orange was very pigmented. I don't know if you noticed, but I did have a little bit of pigment that went on my skin, and I was almost worried. Let me show you so you can see here on this pop stick when I poured some. See, it transfers some of the orange color to it, but it came off very easy. I believe I showed a clip of me removing the pigment of the powder off of my skin, and it came off very easy, so you can see how clean that is. Okay, so yeah, my very first time experiencing a strong pigmented colors in powders. I've only used very soft, like the pinks and the white before, and here's the white. Very nice and solid with 2 dips, only 2 applications. All right, so oh yeah, really good quality product, another good option to have. And let me tell you also, I did like these containers. They are deeper, so I did appreciate that. Even though they are narrower, okay, they are deeper. So it made it easier for my long nail to feel comfortable, and I never felt like I touched the bottom, and it felt really good. Okay, so again, I will have the link to these down in the description bar below. The store is on eBay. If you guys have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank EC Cosmetics for sending me these beautiful products to play with and review. If you guys like my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.